not working, yo. Hey, yo. Is it recording, yo? Is it too loud, yo? Oh. Oh, we may still need to tweak the recording level, but. Yeah, so we get it. Well, I mean, there'll be some tweaking to do. Yeah, alright. Well, I check 1, 2. Well, here, we'll record a real one here. Let's see here. This is Tony's new looper pedal right here. Oh, it didn't work. It didn't work at all. That was terrible. There we go. That's better. Forever. Thank you. We'll be back. All right, I got to get out of town, my brother. You play around with it. We'll hook back up again, and I'm sure you'll have some questions or